When should I start cutting my grass? To create a beautiful lawn, homeowners must maintain the growth of grass during the growing season. A yard left uncut becomes unattractive and attracts insects and other unwanted pests. Similarly, cutting your grass too frequently or too soon in the year may cause problems in growth and appearance of the lawn. New lawns. Before you mow your new lawn, do you want to allow the grass to grow as much as 1/3 taller than the height you intend to keep the lawn mowed till later? Specific grass types have suggested heights for the first cutting. First spring cutting. In the spring of the year, you should allow your grass to become a bit shaggy and higher than normal before cutting. The taller you allow the blades to grow, the deeper the roots will establish themselves and the healthier and more weed-resistant your lawn becomes. Growing season maintenance. During the growing season, many lawns require cutting once per week or even two, while others may require mowing as often as twice per week, depending on a homeowner's desire, type of grass and weather conditions. During the growing season, it is best for your lawn to cut grass on sunny days when the grass has no standing water, rainwater or dew.